The ant's underground kingdom giant-tooth ant seen up close, a large Odontomachus worker moving slowly across the leaf litter in a dipterocarp forest in the Philippines, or elsewhere, is spectacular. The bizarre head of species of this genus bears strong jaw muscles, and large, elongate trap jaws which are carried sideways when foraging, ready to snap shut as potential prey comes in touch with the long frontal trigger hairs. A powerful stinger at the apex of the abdomen completes the image. These ants resemble nothing so much as small alligators lost among the dimensions of the litter identification. Schmidt and Shattuck 2014. Workers of Odontomachus are so distinctive that they are difficult to confuse with those of any other genus except Anacetus, the sister genus of Odontomachus. The unusual trap mandibles and head shape of Odontomachus are synapomorphic with Anacetus, but the genera are readily differentiated by examination of the posterior face of the head. In Odontomachus, the nuchal carina is V-shaped medially, and the posterior surface of the head has a pair of dark converging apophyseal lines. In Anacetus, the nuchal carina is continuously curved and the posterior surface of the head lacks visible apophyseal lines. These genera also tend to differ in size. Anacetus are generally smaller, though there is some overlap. Propodial teeth, absent in Odontomachus but usually present in Anacetus, and petiole shape, always coniform in Odontomachus, but variable in Anacetus. Description: worker Schmidt and Shattuck 2014. Medium to large TL 6 to 20 mm. Brown, 1976. Slender ants with the standard characters of Ponerini. Mandibles straight and narrow, articulating with the head medially, capable of being held open at 180 degrees, and with a trio of large apical teeth and often a row of smaller teeth along the masticatory margin. Head with a pair of long trigger setae below the mandibles. Clippers truncate laterally and anteriorly. Frontal lobes small and relatively widely spaced. Head strangely shaped. Much longer than wide, with a distinct constriction behind the eyes and then often a gradual broadening posteriorly, the posterior margin of the head straight or mildly concave, the nuchal carina V-shaped medially, the posterior surface of the head with a pair of dark converging apophyseal lines. Eyes fairly large, located anterior of head midline on temporal prominences. Metanotal groove shallowly to deeply impressed. Propodium broadly rounded dorsally, as broad as mesonotum but narrower than pronotum. Propodial spiracles small, circular to ovoid. Metatibial spur formula 1s, 1p. Petiole surmounted by a conical node, topped by a posteriorly directed spine of variable length. Gaster without a girdling constriction between pre- and postsclerites of A4. Stridulatrum almost always present on pretigite of A4. Head and body shiny to lightly striate, with very sparse pilosity in pubescence. Color variable, orange to black. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the notification to be updated for another upload video. Goodbye, take care.